Hi, I'd like to welcome you to this VPN server client network demonstration using PPTP protocol. Today we will create a network that is constructed by using public wires to connect nodes securely. These systems use encryption and other security mechanisms to ensure that only authorized users can access the network and that the data cannot be intercepted. PPTP protocol, or point-to-point tunneling protocol, is used to ensure that messages transmitted from one VPN node to another are secure. With PPTP, users can dial into their corporate network via the internet securely. For this demonstration, we will use two Windows XP PCs, and we will connect them with a crossover cable, eliminating the need for a hub or switch. We will also use the program Etherreel to monitor the transfer of packets between the two computers. First, we will create a VPN access by creating a VPN user on the server computer. We will set up our server, or PC1. First, we will click Start, Control Panel, click on User Accounts, and create a new account. For this demonstration, we will use VPN User 1. Click Next, click Create an Account. There's our account created. We will then X out of this, and then we will set some of our parameters for the connection. Clicking Start, Control Panel, Network Connections. Here we will right-click on Local Area Connection and click Properties. Pan down from here, select TCP/IP Protocol, and then Properties. Click on Use the following IP address. For this demonstration, we will use 192.168.1.101. Tab and the subnet mask will enter automatically. Tab again, and for the second computer, which we will use to connect to this, we will type in 192.168.1.102. Tab down again and type in the same 192.168.1.102. Click on OK, close. There are also some additional parameters we need to set up here by creating a new connection. Next, set up an advanced connection. Click Next. Accept incoming connections. Click Next again. Allow virtual private connections. Click Next. Pan down here and select the user that we had just created, and click Next. Click Next again, and finish. There, our server PC1 is now ready for an incoming connection from PC2 using PPTP protocol. When we finished setting up the PC1 or the server, we logged off at the existing user account and logged back on with the VPN user that we created. Now, for the setup for PC2, we are going to set up a new account for VPN user 1, and there's also some network connections that we need to modify. To start with, on PC number 2, we will click Start, Control Panel, User Accounts, and we'll create a new account. Here we will type VPN User 1. Now, we are not setting passwords here for just a matter of convenience. If you were setting this up for a business, you would obviously have passwords, and you would be entering those passwords. Click Create Account. Now we will have to log off as our existing user and log back on as our other user. So we click Start, log off. Now that we've logged back on as VPN user 1, we will create a network connection for this. Click Start, Control Panel, Network Connections. Connection Wizard, click Next. Connect to the network at my workplace. Next. Select Virtual Private Network. Next. Company name, MyVPN. Just for demonstration purposes. Click Next. Do not dial initial connection. Next. Host name is going to be the IP address that we created on server 1 or PC 1, which was 192.168.1.101. Click Next. Add the shortcut to my desktop. Click Finish. Now there are some additional setups that we need to connect to, so we'll click Properties. And under the Networking tab, select Internet TCP/IP Protocol, click Properties. Under the Advanced tab, make sure Use Default Gateway on Remote Network is selected. Select the Wings tab and select Enable LM Hosts and Enable NetBIOS over TCP/IP. Click OK, OK, and OK. Now, once we are ready, we can now connect to our other location. Once again, I'll remind you about passwords. We did not select any, so here we will not select any also, and we'll click Connect.
There we've connected. And from here, we will select a file. We will click Start, Run, and the name of the other server computer, and click OK. Once that process has been taken care of, we now pops up the shared documents folder of the server computer. Here we'll select the documents and we set up an example file to transfer. From here we will copy and paste it from one computer to the other. Here we now have seized data from that transfer, showing that the transfer was then complete. If we X that out,
This concludes our demonstration of a VPN network using PPT protocol. Thank you and have a nice day.